Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an if statement. So I'm in the Learning Files workbook and I'm on the first semester grades worksheet. Now an if statement is a tool that will analyze a range of data and return one result if your argument is true and another result if your argument is false. And you get to specify what that true and false return is going to be. So for example, using this spreadsheet, I could use an if statement that will analyze my final grades. And if a student's final grade is less than 70, it will return the result, call parent. And if it's not less than 70, it'll stay empty. Okay, I'm in charge of all of those parameters, and I can set them within the if statement argument window. Here's how you use an if statement. Click in the cell where you want to build the statement. So I clicked in cell R3 because I want my return to be right next to the student's final grade. I'm going to click on the insert function button and I'm going to search for if. And there it is. I select it and it tells me what it does. It says it checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another if false. I'm going to click OK. My logical test. Well, I said if the final grade is less than 70. So that's my logical test. Q3 less than 70. So I clicked on Q3 and then I typed the less than sign and the number 70. If that's true, I want it to say call parent. If it's false, I don't want anything. So I'm going to hit the space bar one time. If I just left it blank and didn't hit the space bar, it would return the result that says false. And I didn't want that. I'm going to click OK. So it looks like there's nothing here because according to this formula, this cell is not less than 70, so it stayed empty. If I copy the formula down, I can quickly see which students are in trouble. And I have this little reminder telling me to call their parent. So that's an if statement. Pretty easy, right? Let's do another one. I'm going to insert an empty column where column E is by right-clicking and choosing Insert. And I'm going to build an if statement right here that's going to say, let's see, I'm going to allow students to retake exam if, retake exam 3, if less than 70. All right, and I'm going to build an if statement that says that. So I click in the cell where I want it to show up, insert function, if. My logical test is to look at exam 3. So I'm going to click on D3, and I said less than 70 again. So I'm going to do less than 70. So if D3 is less than 70, I want it to say retake. And if not, I want it to stay empty. So I'm going to put a space and click OK. And then I'm going to copy my formula down to see my results. All these kids need to retake exam 3. Okay, if statements, they're awesome.